Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Today, it's a beautiful day and it's time for day 2 of the Ultimate Weekend. Today we have our models Claudia and Tim, so we have a male model and a female model. And with this weather, it's without any doubt that we're also going to go on location. Because that's actually part of the Ultimate Weekend. We do one day mostly studio work and retouching and of course dinner. And one day we will actually do location work and a little bit of studio work. So join us for today's episode. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below. And of course smash that like button. Have fun today. We will. And everybody actually already started early because, well, they already took away our set from yesterday. So today we can start with a clean studio, and that's really cool. Sometimes it's forgotten, but you know, thanks to our interns and of course Anna Weeks, she's the most important one, I can do my job without thinking about taking sets away or moving lights away, and that just makes it way easier. So you guys rock. Awesome. You need a good assistant or a really good Anna Week. But hey, she's mine.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where I still you.
Okay guys, we're ready for the outside location. I'm gonna go there with Tim and of course Claudia. And well, the location is Unesco Heritage. It's the old Harbour of Schokland. It's an amazing place to shoot. We actually been there with Kelby for the Kelby 1 videos. And it's always a very inspirational place. Now, what are we gonna bring? We're gonna bring the ELB-500 from Elinchrom to test out for ATTL and high-speed sync. And we're gonna bring one of the ranges because, well, I'm shooting with Sony. And the ELB still doesn't work with Sony, so we're going to bring that one too. So join us to Unesco Heritage for the outside part of the workshop. Are you ready to go? Just follow our bus and we'll get there. And look at what Claudia is wearing and her hair. Isn't it just absolutely awesome? Cool. Let's go, guys. on location and we're actually trying out a new ELB-500 from Elinchrom, and on Canon and Nikon we're now actually shooting on 1/8000th of a second, 2.8 ISO 100. That's pretty cool, right? Because now with a 500 watt strobe you can literally kill the sun, because look at how bright it is over here. It's just a shame it doesn't work for Sony, but hey, I hope they work on that, because then pretty soon also the Sony shooters can shoot on ISO 100, 2.8, 1/8000th of a second. Awesome. That was the ultimate weekend, and of course you want to see the results, so here you go. Now I hope you like those results, and let's be honest, those old vintage lenses, oh my, they're absolutely awesome. Of course I've shot with those lenses before, but every time when I use them they just surprise me. They're literally sold for like €5 or €50, and some like the Leicas are like €200, but they give you a tremendous quality in image. Now if you want to know more about those lenses, just let me know and maybe we'll do a separate video on it. If you like those ultimate weekends, don't worry, there's gonna be another one. That one is gonna be even cooler, because that will be the first time that we do one day in our studio, and the next day we're actually gonna go to a castle. A real castle, not like a tourist attraction. It's gonna be a real castle for a whole photo shoot. If you wanna know more about it, just email us on the email below. For now, I'm signing off. It's now Saturday, tomorrow May 6th is my birthday, so this vlog will be online probably on Monday. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. See you again next time. Bye bye.